চলুন সাউথ ইস্ট ইউনিভার্সিটি জব সার্কুলার দেখে নিই। যেহেতু সার্কুলারটি সম্পূর্ণ ইংরেজিতে, তাই আমি ইংরেজিতেই বলছি। Let's see the career opportunity. Southeast University, one of the fastest growing private universities in Bangladesh, with current enrollment of over 12,000 students and having its permanent campus at Tezgao, the heart of Dhaka city, invites applications for the following full-time positions from eligible candidates: administrative positions, deputy director or assistant director, IT, programmer, IT, video editor and motion. Candidates with third class or division of CGPA below 2.75 in any public examinations, no need to apply. That means from your SSC, HSC or any honors or master's grade, if you have GPA below 2.75, you are not eligible to apply. Southeast University offers attractive compensation package including 2 festival bonuses, contributory provident fund, gratuity, group life, hospitalization insurance, medical services, etc. Detailed information will be at bdjobs.com or acu.edu.bd/career. So if you wish to apply, then apply before 20 December 2020. That means 20 December is the last date of application, and if you wish to apply, then you have to go to bdjobs.com or acu.edu.bd. I will give the website link in the description below, that you can go the website directly from this description. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.